Guys, welcome to the Circle of Excellence here, otherwise known as of New England Motorcycle Museum and Kaplan Cycles, where our time machine did it again. We pulled another brand new old stock, classic motorcycle, undeniably the most valuable motocross bike made in 1978. This is the AMF Harley-Davidson 250, which Rex Statton campaigned a version of this on the AMA National Series with some success, but just a spectacular piece. This one is 100% original and has not been started since 1978. This is the second time we sold this bike. We purchased this from Randy Gillespie, who had owned it since it was new. When it came home from the dealer, he drained the gas out of it, fogged the cylinder and the carb, and put it on display in his Radiant Heat Floor museum, private museum, that had no windows in it. So no UV degradation, no issues at all. The bike was stored for many, many moons. When Randy sold his collection, getting up there in years, decided to sell it, we got the bike and auctioned it off. And Chip Watkins, the CEO of Watkins Motor Freight, billion-dollar company with over 30,000 trucks on the road. So Chip really is a connoisseur of fine motorcycles. Chip purchased this motorcycle from us years ago, and it's been on display in his private museum, which I did a video. You can check it out. This bike was featured in that video also at the Watkins Private Motorcycle Museum. Chip changed gears. His whole collection is now Hondas. So he is doing only Hondas. So not only this Harley, but if you watch the video from a couple weeks ago, 16 other bikes, including some exotic machines. This being one of my favorite from the collection. Full provenance on this one. We are pleased to have it here. It's going up for sale on auction. This bike is 100% original, has not been started since 78. The bike is 48 years old. So the original tires had dry rotted. Those were replaced with a brand new set of tires who have never spun the dirt or been in the dirt. Like I said, the bike hasn't been started. The original grips had kind of melted, so those were replaced with a brand new set of grips. So the tires and the grips are the only items that aren't original on this bike. If you buy this bike and you want us to get it started for you, we'd be honored to. We'd love to. We'd love to do a video of this thing running. But when it comes to this valuable of a bike, I think leaving it exactly the way it is and not starting it would be the preferred thing. But check out the leather strap this came from the factory with right here. The original leather strap, the original paint job is beautiful. The original saddle's in mint condition. Every nut and bolt on this bike is exactly the way it came out of the crate from Harley-Davidson in 1978. The original Akron rims still shine brilliantly, never touched the dirt. So when it comes to collector's bikes, brand new NOS ones in the crate are the highest, most valuable. One out of the crate that's never been started is the second most valuable. And this is the only brand new AMF Harley-Davidson for sale on planet Earth today. And I haven't seen another brand new one come up for a long time. So it's going to be sold at eBay auction to the high bidder. If you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024. We can ship this bike anywhere on planet Earth for you. Hope it stays in the USA here with us. And I'd love to keep it on display in the museum. If you want to leave it here for any period of time, we'd be honored to have it. But it's a really rare opportunity that, well, probably won't come up again anytime soon. I don't know anybody who has one this nice for sale. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. So what is a brand new AMF Harley-Davidson worth? Well, I know several that have sold for north of $25,000. This one sold for north of $20,000. Now, today in today's market, I wouldn't be surprised to see this with inflation. I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing bring over $50,000. It's just pure unobtainium. You won't find another one that's got 0 hours on it like this. I don't know of one that's for sale anywhere on planet Earth. There used to be one at Maroney Harley-Davidson hanging from the ceiling there. Pat sold that one several months ago, but that one was kind of crusty. It was sitting up right near their entryway, and it was exposed to a lot of moisture and that kind of thing. This one here is been in a Radiant Heat Floor private museum with no windows on it that for many moons, and then it went to the Chip Watkins private museum where it was not subject to any UV rays or anything like that. So it's absolutely a diamond. The only cosmetic flaws I saw on the bike where on this side, there's a crack in these are fiberglass panels, and it has a small crack right there, pretty common. And then the original fender, after 48 years, faded a little bit and turned colors. We can restore this. Actually, you can use a heat gun to bring the color back out. I've done one before. I'd be happy to do that, but I didn't want to mess with the originality on this one. If someone wants to have this started and run, and some videos of it running, I would be honored to do that. If you buy the bike, it's up to you. Right now, we just don't want to, we're going to leave it exactly like it is. It's too valuable to take it out and rip it up and down the street as much as I'd like to. So if you have any questions about it, give us a call at 860-454-7024, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. We can finance this in-house, ship it anywhere to your door, white glove, roll-on service. And we also offer financing. This is an investment quality museum piece is what you're looking at. It's really a piece of modern art. Thanks for watching. God bless America.